Want a business you love that pays you well? Want a lifestyle where you can do what you want, when you want? Then you are in the right spot. It's time to overcome online overwhelm with OnlineMasterPlanSeries.com. Here's your host and one of the OMS mentors, Laura Wage.
Elaine, everyone has strengths and weaknesses, but I sometimes find that people assume, since we've been doing this for so long, that everything is easy and we personally never have any struggles. Now, you and I know that that's not the truth, but can you please share one task that is still a thorn in your side to this day and how it is that you overcome it?
That's such a great question. Actually, for me, writing blog posts it is just absolute torture. And, I know you and the rest of our OMS group would say that I have no problem speaking. I talk a lot, love to talk. I just don't do so well in turning what I'm saying into something written. So recently, I realized that it made more sense to make some daily short audios and little videos that I can combine. And at the end of the week, from those, I get a really decent blog post. So it really makes it a less painful task for me, and it makes the blog post a lot better. And I can delegate it to my VA, and depending on whether they're a mix of audio and video, I can pop them off to somebody on Fiverr and get them all pulled down into a post.
Yeah, and it's such a great, easy way to do it. I, for years, actually used a software called Dragon Dictation, where I would just speak it and let it, create the words. And then I would send that dictation over to my VA and she would turn it into an article format. I think the important thing to really get people to understand is that take whatever it is that you're not good at and find the strength that you have that can counterbalance that. You are great at speaking. So being able to share your audios and let somebody else create the article from that, such a phenomenal way for you yourself to do business. That's so great.
That's it for this episode. Don't let your next promising idea stop dead in its tracks because your overwhelm gets in the way. You need our free tips. Head on over to OvercomeOnlineOverwhelm.com now.